Hola, acá Nico. In today's video, I will explain you 5 different phrases and expressions that you can use in a restaurant, in a cafe, or somewhere else where you can pay and eat some delicious Argentinian meals. Firstly, you have to understand that even though that we speak Spanish here, every single country in Latin America and Spain have different ways to order food. So you have to be really careful and the words you use here in Argentina. So if you're ready, vamos a arrancar. Firstly, I would like to start with a very direct and simple way, and it's totally fine and you can use it all the time. It is super simple and I think you will laugh when you hear it. It is just, hola, quiero, blah blah blah, por favor. Basically in English it would be, hi, I want this, please. Now you would say, but Nico, isn't it really rude to say it that way? No, not at all here in Argentina. As long as you always say please, we just say this. We don't say anything else. It is super simple, it is super direct, but you have to say please and thank you and it will be perfect. Don't worry about it. In English, the normal way or the formal way to say it is to say can I get, can I have, can I blah blah blah. Well, never say that here in Argentina because it doesn't make sense. We would not understand you because we don't say it that way. We just say I want this, please, or with the following ways I will teach you right now after this example. Let's say you're in a restaurant and then you would say, hola, quiero una milanesa con papas fritas, por favor. And that's all, and it will be fine. Then the waiter, or we call it in Argentina, mozo, the waiter will come, he will give you the plate, the meal, and then you will say muchas gracias, and that's all. Now let's see some other ways and more native ways and different ways you can say the same. Now we have 2 super common ways to order something. You can use all of these different phrases in a store, in a cafe, or in a restaurant, or somewhere else where you can eat anything, not only for food. You can also use it in other different type of stores, shops, etc. So these different ways or more native ways to say it is like this. The first, it would be, te pido un comida, blah blah blah, por favor. Never ever forget por favor. Of course you can skip it, but it will be better if you always say por favor. Now this way it would be, I ask you for this please. This is the way we say in Argentina and it is super common. And you in English you would normally say can I get, can I have. We don't say it that way, we say I ask you for this please. Or well, actually it would be, do I ask you for this please? That's a different way. I know it's weird, but this is the way we say it. So as for example, hola, te pido una milanesa con papas fritas, por favor. Hi, can I get the milanesa con papas fritas? Or I would like to have milanesa con papas fritas, please. And this is a super common way to say it. Then, the other way would be, hola, ¿me das comida, por favor? Hi, can you give me this food, this meal, this plate, please? This is a super common way as well, and it is way more native than just say, hi, I want this. Okay, all of these different examples are perfect, but if you would like to be more native or speak a bit more like a real Argentinian, start using these 2 different ways. Te pido blah 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 and me das blah blah blah, por favor. So here we have the 3 first phrases you have to know to be able to communicate and order food in Argentina. Now let's see the last 2 phrases that you will use in a restaurant or in a cafe or in a shop, in a store, blah blah blah. So the first one will be, quiero o te pido o me das para llevar. Para llevar is to take away or for to go. As for example, quiero una hamburguesa para llevar. So it would be, I want a hamburger to go or I want a hamburger to take away. Then you can also say the same. Te pido una hamburguesa para llevar, por favor. ¿Me das una hamburguesa para llevar, por favor? Hola, quiero una hamburguesa para llevar, por favor. Okay, all these different expressions is, hi, can I get blah 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 to take away please? Or I would like to have this for blah 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 to take away please. Okay, so all of these different expressions are the ones you have to use in a restaurant, in a store, or in a cafe. And the last one is super easy one, and it is just, ¿me das la cuenta? Can you give me the bill? Can you give me the check? ¿Me traes la cuenta? Could you bring me the check? Could you bring me the bill? Por favor, don't forget por favor. And that's all for this video. Only 5 phrases, but still being super useful for you to travel to Argentina. All of these phrases you will not learn it anywhere else because these are very Argentinian ways we say, specific in this region, in specific in this country. So I hope you have liked this video. Tell me what you think y nos vemos en otro video. Chao, chao.